Oh, it's happening. It's happening. Oh, it's moving. Whoa. Is it coming back? I love car washes. I've never been in a touchless car wash.
You haven't done this? I did
No,
this.
I do the ones
times.
with like those big things that like
No,
circle
those are-
on the
those are
windows in the car.
This one's touchless. It doesn't even touch it.
Oh,
I'm too lazy to wash it by myself right now.
yeah. Well, we washed some of it. Technically, we did just wash the whole truck.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Look at this under. It looks so crazy. Oh. It's like we're in a hurricane. Hurricane car wash. Whoa. What about my side? Clear, bubbly, clear, bubbly. Oh, it's coming back. Whoa. Is this fun? We should just do this one day when we're bored.
No.
Oh, rainbow foam. They should call it the hurricane, not the avalanche. Oh, it's advanced. I thought it was called avalanche. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, it's called laser wash. Whoa. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Whoa, that's a long car wash. Oh, they missed a spot. This little drop has a bubble in it. Oh. Oh goodness, it's coming back. I love this. This is like very advanced technology. coming. It's like slowly coming up on us. Oh, it's kind of scary. Oh, the little droplets. How long is this car wash? The sound. Look, the rain. Look at the little drops. They're so cute. It sounds so crazy, like thunder. It should be called the Thunder. Oh, it's done. Oh, let's do it again.